Welcome to the Two Wheel Centre's YouTube channel. Today we're reviewing a Triumph Rocket 3. It's a 2005 with only two owners from new. The bike has been painted in candy red and has white and blue stripes. The paintwork is not the only thing that has been changed. It has custom front and rear LED indicators, tinted screen, belly pants, Triumph clock and fuel gauge, teardrop mirrors, side mounted number plate. It also has a private plate. My favourite modification of the bike is the exhaust and the cannon, which you'll hear in a second. Let's fire up the bike, see what it sounds like. The documentation that comes with the bike is the V5, the HPI certificate to show it's all clear. We also have two sets of keys and two alarm fobs for the data to alarm. We have MOT and service history. Service history wise, it was either done at On Your Triumph or Jack Lilly's in Kent. All the bikes from the Two Wheel Centre come with 3 months parts and labour warranty, a year's MOT and a full tank of petrol. My name's Nick, I'm the salesman here. If I can be of any more assistance, please drop me an email or phone us or pop in and see the bike. Thank you for watching this video.